Hi, and welcome back to the Secret of the Game course. We are on lesson 68. Wanted to give you a lesson here, just talking about the science behind attraction and love, because there is a science in terms of neurologically speaking, and we can really credit David D'Angelo on piecing this together, as well as Dr. Paul. So those two folks pioneered a lot of this understanding. So much credit goes to them. So attraction is a complex interplay of emotions and desires triggered from perceived status. Okay. Because remember, for the arbitraging ego, her natural ego, her authentic ego, past societal programming, we have to understand it's constantly in search of incremental value, and proxy is status is a proxy for that incremental value. So we can think of status being linked to displays of status intelligence, confidence, charisma, and that which her ego is ultimately after. And so just knowing this, for attraction to occur, a man must effectively demonstrate his status intelligence and initiate the attraction seduction persona. So it's going to be free association social, free association flirting, and then align his actions with her true her true authentic ego, which is her arbitraging ego. So, models from Mark Manson actually emphasizes the importance of authenticity and self-awareness in initiating attraction. Encouraging individuals to embrace their true selves and desires and owning their intentions. So evolutionary nature of attraction and love. Attraction and love are deeply ingrained in human evolution, reflecting our brain's complex structure and function shaped by millennia of adaptation. There's a tri-brain structure called the three-brain structure, which is, this was really alluded to in Double Your Dating by D'Angelo and in his other books. But basically you have like a reptilian brain, a mammalian brain, and then a thinking brain. So you can think of that as like the innermost portion is reptilian. It's like homeostasis type stuff. Mammalian is going to be like emotions, and then the thinking brain, the cerebral cortex, and those are going to be associated with physical attraction, number one, the reptilian, emotional connection, mammalian, and then intellectual compatibility, which is going to be the thinking brain. So if you want to read more about that, definitely hop over to David D'Angelo's Double Your Dating and his other books. He's going to talk about that and how he impacts it. But basically, getting back into the understanding of the science of attraction, attraction is heavily influenced, as we talked about, by status because of what we have already alluded to. So just knowing this, I wanted to just take a little time and help you understand really the nature of her ego, how that impacts, with status, and how to basically get and become an arbitrage opportunity to her, so you get the opportunity to take her to bed. So there you go.